Some food for thought for all you pro-jabbers out there, you vaxxers. Who you putting your trust in? Big pharmaceutical companies rather, big bucks. Politicians, such as Trudeau here in Canada, who works the scamdemic for his dictatorial agenda. So, that's who you're putting your trust in, instead of Mother Nature, who's given us a 99.97% survival rate. Think about it. It's a pretty good argument to be presented to you jabbers, pro-jabbers. You're taking that mutating RNA shit stirred up in a lab with no clinical trials to speak of. Maybe you're putting at risk the smart people who trust in nature more than the other way around. Simpletons.